All right, good morning, and welcome to faytech Channel TV. This morning, I'm here with Kenji Meguro-san and Ko-san, members of our Japan team. We're at the final day of the Japan IT Week here. We've had an amazing few days. We wanted to get a video of our booth and introduce you to our team a little bit, so that you can get an idea of what we're engaged in here in Japan. And without further ado, as the show started and we're expecting a torrent of customers to arrive shortly, Meguro-san, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you.
How's the show been so far?
It's been great. We've been visited by nearly 100 customers every day, so it's a big hit.
It's been a lot busier than the last show, so
yes.
for those of you who don't know, Meguro-san joined our company last year, and my last time in Japan was 2 years ago. And the show, I mean, a lot of it's COVID, but we seem to be having what I call like a post-COVID euphoria, where there's a lot of attendance to the show. So without further ado, we're going to take you on a tour. Meguro-san's going to take you on a tour of our booth and let you see what we have. So what do we have here today?
Yes, we have a latest focused product here, starting with the mirror project. This is high brightness, 1000 nits, and everybody likes it because it's also a touch monitors. And also we have another mirror, it's a luminant, beautiful for the beauty shops. And also, if the kids go to the barber shop, they can watch anime on it. And over here, we have a tabletop touch monitor. Now, I have a 55-inch. The point is, everybody can have a meeting on this table because of the optical bonding technology. I'm saying durable, it's waterproof. Everybody likes it. Today, I have a particular customer coming over to see it.
It's also built into the table.
Yes.
We're working with a local company here in partnership to embed this product in the table. And I believe we've already been shipping this product for about a year and a half into Japan. So it's a very mature product already for us.
It's an Italian-made furniture.
There you go. Italian furniture can't be beat. Italian furniture in Japan.
Yes.
So moving along to our next featured product, as many of you may know, is our whiteboard.
This whiteboard is a very eye-capturing display, 86-inch. We brought in. It was difficult to bring in, but definitely catching everybody's attention. Digital whiteboard for the school and of course for the company meetings. Everybody, it's a sort of easy to operate, like iPhone. Lot of applications on it. So let's enjoy this one. Moving along, we have a pyramid series, and I think this Polytouch 21.5-inch is the ideal size for the Japanese, shops and stores. Yeah, it's a beautiful design, and we can custom paint it, and we have all the creators, or probably we can replace it to the Japanese versions. But this is one solution for the growing market.
As everyone knows, the convenience store market in Japan is a very large market. So any product targeted at that should do quite well. We've had quite a bit of interest in it. So moving to the back side here, we're showing our e-ink. I can take over a little bit if you don't mind. We're showing our 32-inch e-ink solution, fresh from CES. If you're looking at the photo, there's a base for it. The base unfortunately didn't make it through customs. I don't know, maybe it didn't declare properly. I know Bernard and I had an issue when we came through customs filling in all the documents and the apps. It was quite a mess. It wasn't as streamlined as we'd like it to be. So then we move into our more of our industrial products. Here we have our 10.1-inch tablet, waterproof IP65. I get a good view here when we're looking at it here of the way that we have the ports done, and on this other side here. So these ports are great. They're very rigid and firm when you insert them. And this product is entering the Japanese market. We've had a lot of interest from companies looking to use it in industrial settings. And next up, guys, we've got our front kit, back kit modularized solutions. Many of you will remember that Arne and I have released some videos earlier on this year showing that. And here we have our aluminum a modularized solution, 15.6 inch. Sorry, I'm moving my hands a little bit fast. We've got customers coming, so I'm trying to pick up the pace here in the video. Back here, we've got a 21.5 inch with our rubberized frame. The 10.1 inch we already covered. Here we have our stainless steel solution, which is not modularized. It's a new release. It's IP65. It's very heavy duty, very attractive. You can see there our in-out ports are specialized for IP65. We've got a lot of interest in this product. It's the first time at a show here in Japan. And moving along, again, in order to show our front kit, back kit solution, we've got a unit here that we've semi-disassembled so that you can see how easy it is, that everything is modular, goes together very easy. Then here we have our strip screen, which today we're showing coffee beans. Yesterday we had happy faces and Facebook emojis. And over here, you know, Bernard, you're gonna have to pick up the pace. We're trying to sell here. Come on, man. Faytech, we never sleep. We never sleep. Over here next, we have our AI camera rail project. So right now in our factories in Huizhou and Sweden, we are in the process of setting up these cameras. They should be set up by the weekend, if I'm not mistaken, according to the latest intelligence. This is our hardware solution for Smart Industry 4.0. We're about to invite a number of software collaborators, so if any of the viewers here are software related, please reach out to us because we're interested in developing some partnerships in the software side to see for all the types of different applications that we may have for this product. And last but not least, we have, again, modularized solutions, 7-inch and a 10.1 inch with a silicone frame. All of these front kit, back kit solutions are running either Android with our Amlogic S905 or A311D2, or if they're x86 versions, they're going to be running our Intel Elkhart or Tiger Lake series. Now that we've showed you most of the booth, we're going to take you to the star of the show, the product that's got the most attention, the eye-catching product of the show, which is our 30-inch transparent OLED. I'm going to be using the Kung Fu motion that our super sales Toru-san has been using throughout the show. And Kenji, what do we have here? We have a touch display. You can see we're showing a video. We were.
Yes.
Now we've got a video.
So customers, when people walking by, they don't realize this is a transparent see-through monitor. So you have to sort of put a gesture behind it, make sure they know it's a transparency, and also write on it. Oops. So they know it's a touch. Transparent plus touch. Oh, this will just surprise all the customers.
All right, Kenji, so I have one last question for you then. This is Japanese, which most of us don't understand. What did you write?
Oh, it's a faytech, nice touch.
There you go. So faytech, nice touch.
So that's the explanation about our booth. And before we go, really, Michael and Bernard, thank you so much for your help. I couldn't do this beautiful setup with that. And also many of our faytech supports. Thank you for being one team.
And as they like to say in the land of sake, sushi, and sashimi, sayonara!